What does this mean? The bulls are really in control. Eto na tayo kay Goldie. Eto po, gusto kong i-highlight, no? Di ba meron tayong topping tail na nakita? Topping tail is a bearish reversal pattern if you see it sa uptrend. Perfect candidate po ito, topping tail na to for a possible reversal. Perfect. Kasi uptrend. Tapos nakakita ka ng topping tail. Off ko muna to. Paliwanag ko sa inyo. Uptrend. Nakakita ka ng topping tail. Ayan oh. Perfect candidate to for a correction, for a reversal. Tito, palpak ka naman, tito eh. Sabi mo, perfect. Pero bakit hindi nag-reverse? Umaakyat pa. Na-liquidate ako, tito. Perfect candidate po ito. Yan yung mga perfect, oh. Yan yung mga perfect candidate. Ang ganda nito. It's just that the market is not 100% sure or 100% po na certainty. Right? There's no certainty in the market. Even if you have the perfect setup, it can fail because this is a game of probability. Kaya bawal dito matigas ang ulo. So ngayon, negated na to for me. Negated na yan kasi nilagpasan na natin. Ayun, we're trading above it. So negated na to. So what does this mean? The bulls are really in control. Walang bears po dito. Hindi nila tinulak sa taas. The bulls are really in control. Ganun kasimple lang. So we're expecting gold to, again, to reach maybe ang next resistance na po nito kasi all-time high na naman to. Let's try to look at 37 muna, psychological number. Taas ko na to 37 psychological number kay gold. Of course, may mga magte-take profit diyan. This is a psychological number. So pwede pong huminto diyan muna yung trade and then let's see.